Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I have this beautiful 2015 QX60 that I'm here to tell you about. This one is a local Clean Carfax vehicle. We just acquired it from Infiniti off lease, and it's very low miles for 25,153, and it is completely loaded with just about every available option you can get in 2015. That's at an MSRP close to $60,000. Features Deluxe touring package, technology package. The list of features goes on and on. You have upgraded semi-aniline leather seating versus the regular standard leather. This has upgraded leather, upgraded maple interior accents with the Deluxe touring package, heated and cooled front seats. This one has navigation, rear parking camera, as well as a 360-degree around view monitor, moving object detection, backup collision intervention. Bose premium surround sound system. So there's two Bose sound systems. This has the top of the line Bose surround sound system. I think it's 15 or 16 speakers. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. This one has an advanced climate control system that cleans and filters the air inside the cabin. Intelligent cruise control that operates 0 to 90 miles an hour. Lane departure warning, lane departure prevention, blind spot warning, blind spot prevention, forward collision warning with forward emergency braking, illuminated kick plates, heated steering wheel, really nice color combination, white on black leather. White's such an easy color to take care of. All the cars I own are white. This one has a set of aftermarket 20-inch Vogue wheels. The tires have lots of tread on them. Vogue's a pretty good brand of wheels. These are popular on Cadillacs. The wheels are in great shape. I think they actually look nicer than the 20-inch wheels that you usually get with the Infiniti. Also has front tinted windows. The rear windows are already tinted. Also has the theater package, all-season floor mats. Second row seats, they slide back and forth. They also recline, making them comfortable. And then we have the theater package with wireless headphones and remote, heated outbound rear seats. Then you have multiple power options to hook up like video game system or other things to the theater system. Panoramic roof for the second and third row seats. And of course, third row seating. This is in really beautiful shape. This is probably one of the nicest 2015 QX60s we have in stock right now. And you get a lot of features and technology. All the features and technology that are on this one are still available on the 2019, so obviously they might look a little bit different, but if you're looking for a great value, this gives you a lot of the features and technology you get on a brand new 2019 one. The rear seats also power fold up. Of course, you have a power rear liftgate. This one also features a lifetime warranty in the powertrain. That's something extra we do on select pre-owned vehicles, or select pre-owned Infinitis, I should say. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive. They do great in the snow. I actually borrowed one because I don't have any all-wheel drive vehicles to drive in the snow, and I didn't get stuck at all, and I was going through some pretty nasty stuff in that recent bout of snowy weather we had. So if you experience the same thing and looking to upgrade to a mid-sized crossover of great snow driving abilities, this QX60 is a great choice. Come in, take it for a spin. I think you'll be very impressed.